Explore the ocean and beach essential English questions for beginners.
How far is the tropical island from here? It's about 2 hours by boat.
Is it windy by the sea today? Yes, it's a bit windy by the sea today.
Where's the nearest beach? The nearest beach is 10 minutes away.
Why do people like to visit tropical beaches? They like the warm weather and clear water.
How do you feel when you are at the beach? I feel relaxed and happy.
Have you ever seen the ocean? Yes, I have seen the ocean many times.
What color is the water in the ocean? The water in the ocean is usually blue or green.
Do you like collecting seashells on the shore? Yes, I love collecting seashells on the shore.
Does David like swimming in the sea? Yes, David loves swimming in the sea.
Have you ever been to a tropical island? Yes, I went to a tropical island last year.
What is the best time to visit a tropical island? The best time is during the dry season, usually in winter.
Is it safe to swim in this part of the ocean? Yes, it is safe, but always be careful.
Does David want to live by the beach? Yes, David wants to live by the beach in the future.
Does Emma enjoy snorkeling in the ocean? Yes, she enjoys snorkeling a lot.
What do you do when you visit a tropical island? I usually relax on the beach and explore the island.
What do you see when you look at the ocean? I see waves, boats, and sometimes dolphins.
What can you find on a tropical island? You can find palm trees, sandy beaches, and exotic animals.
Can Emma surf in the ocean? Yes, Emma can surf very well.
Can you walk to the beach from here? No, it's too far to walk. We need a car.
Is the water warm at the beach? Yes, the water is warm and perfect for swimming.
Weekend in Miami. Learn English with easy dialogues. Hi Nancy. How was your weekend in Miami?
Hi Charles. It was amazing. Miami is such a beautiful place.
That sounds great. What did you do there?
On Saturday, I visited South Beach. The water was so clear and the sand was perfect.
South Beach is famous. Did you swim or just relax on the beach?
I did both. I swam for a while and then relaxed with a good book. It was so relaxing.
That sounds perfect. What about Sunday?
On Sunday, I visited the Art Deco Historic District. The buildings are so colorful and unique.
I've seen pictures of that place. It looks like a step back in time. Did you take a tour?
Yes, I did. The tour guide told us many interesting stories about the history and architecture.
That must have been very informative. Did you try any local food?
Yes, I tried Cuban sandwiches and key lime pie. They were delicious.
Cuban sandwiches are a must-try in Miami. Did you have time for any shopping?
Yes, I went to Bayside Marketplace. It's a great place with many shops and restaurants.
I've heard about Bayside Marketplace. Did you buy anything special?
I bought some souvenirs and a beautiful dress. It was a fun experience.
It sounds like you had a fantastic weekend. Do you plan to visit Miami again?
Definitely. There are still many places I want to see, like the Vizcaya Museum and Gardens.
Vizcaya is on my list too. It's a historic estate with beautiful gardens. I'd love to visit it someday.
We should plan a trip together. It would be fun to explore Miami with friends.
That's a great idea. Let's do it. Thanks for sharing your weekend adventure, Nancy.
You're welcome, Charles. I hope you get to visit Miami soon.
Learn English Basics, sharing personal info with Pascal and Beatrix. Where is Pascal from? Pascal is from England. How old is Beatrix? Beatrix is 35 years old. What is Pascal's favorite color? Pascal's favorite color is blue. Does Beatrix have any siblings? Yes. Beatrix has one brother. What does Pascal do for a living? Pascal is a teacher. Where did Beatrix go to school? Beatrix went to school in England. What hobbies does Pascal enjoy? Pascal enjoys reading and hiking. Can Beatrix speak any foreign languages? Yes, Beatrix can speak Spanish and French. What is Pascal's favorite food? Pascal's favorite food is pizza. Does Beatrix like to travel? Yes, Beatrix loves traveling. Where was Pascal born? Pascal was born in Australia. What is Beatrix's job? Beatrix is a graphic designer. What sports does Pascal play? Pascal plays soccer and tennis. Has Beatrix visited any Asian countries? Yes, Beatrix has visited Japan and China. What is Pascal's dream vacation? Pascal's dream vacation is to go to Italy. What is Beatrix's favorite movie? Beatrix's favorite movie is The Lord of the Rings. Does Pascal have any pets? Yes, Pascal has a dog named Max. Where does Beatrix like to shop? Beatrix likes to shop in Paris. What type of music does Pascal listen to? Pascal likes to listen to rock music. Is Beatrix a morning or night person? Beatrix is a morning person. What is Pascal's nationality? Pascal is Canadian. What is Beatrix's favorite season? Beatrix's favorite season is spring. Can Pascal cook? Yes, Pascal is a good cook. Does Beatrix have any children? No, Beatrix does not have any children. What is Pascal's favorite book? Pascal's favorite book is To Kill a Mockingbird. What city does Beatrix live in? Beatrix lives in Berlin. What is Pascal's favorite TV show? Pascal's favorite TV show is Stranger Things. Has Beatrix ever been to Africa? No, Beatrix has never been to Africa. What is Pascal's favorite animal? Pascal's favorite animal is the elephant. What is Beatrix's favorite hobby? Beatrix's favorite hobby is painting. Does Pascal have a car? Yes, Pascal has a car. What is Beatrix's favorite type of food? Beatrix's favorite type of food is Italian. Where does Pascal like to spend his holidays? Pascal likes to spend his holidays in the mountains. What is Beatrix's favorite sport to watch? Beatrix's favorite sport to watch is football.
Quality conversation flight schedules. Hi Fiona, how are you today?
Hi George, I'm good, thank you. How about you?
I'm fine, thanks. I wanted to ask you about flight schedules. Have you ever checked flight schedules online?
Yes, I have. I usually check flight schedules when I plan a trip.
That's great. I am planning to visit my friend in another city. Can you help me with the flight schedules?
Of course. Where are you planning to go?
I'm planning to go to New York. I need to find a flight that leaves in the morning.
Okay, let's check it online. Do you have a specific date in mind?
Yes, I want to fly on the 10th of next month.
All right, let me search for flights to New York on the 10th. Here, I see a flight that leaves at 9 a.m. and another one at 11:30 a.m. Which one do you prefer?
I think the 9 a.m. flight is better. It's early, so I will have more time to spend in New York.
That sounds like a good choice. Do you also need a return flight?
Yes, I need to come back on the 15th. Can you check the return flights for me?
Sure, let me look. There are return flights at 3 p.m. and 7 p.m. on the 15th. Which one would you like?
I think the 3 p.m. flight is perfect. It gives me enough time to enjoy my last day in New York.
Great. So, you will fly out on the 10th at 9 a.m. and return on the 15th at 3 p.m. Is that correct?
Yes, that's perfect. Thank you so much for your help, Fiona.
You're welcome, George. Have a great trip.
Thanks. I'm really excited about it. Have a nice day.
You too, George. Bye.